Say goodbye to stubborn pet odors, the ultimate pet laundry detergent odor remover. Hey there, fellow pet lovers. If you've got furry friends at home, you know the never ending battle against those stubborn pet odors. No matter how many times you toss your pet's bedding or toys into the wash, that funky smell just seems to stick around, doesn't it? That's because regular laundry detergents often fall short when it comes to tackling those tough pet related odors. But don't worry today. We're diving into a game changing solution: pet specific laundry detergents designed to banish those pesky smells for good. Understanding pet odors. So, what makes pet odors so different? Well, think about it. Whether it's a little accident on the carpet, slobber on the couch, or that infamous wet dog scent, these odors come from proteins and oils that sink deep into your fabrics. Regular detergents are great for general cleaning, but they don't really target these specific compounds. That's why, even after washing, you might still catch a whiff of those stubborn smells that just won't budge. Sounds familiar, right? The solution: Pet Laundry Detergent Odor Remover. Here's where pet laundry detergents come into play. These specially formulated products are designed to tackle pet odors at the source. Unlike regular detergents that just mask smells with fancy fragrances, pet-specific detergents use targeted ingredients to break down odor-causing proteins and oils on a molecular level. This means your laundry comes out truly fresh, not just covered up. Plus, they're made to give your furry friends' bedding and toys a deep clean without damaging those delicate fabrics. Key differences between pet laundry detergent and regular detergent. Let's talk about what sets these pet laundry detergents apart from the usual stuff we use. First off, they're all about powerful odor elimination. These detergents contain enzymes and deodorizing agents that specifically target pet-related odors. Next up, they're usually hypoallergenic, which is super important for pets with sensitive skin. Plus, they're tough on all those messes we know and love, think muddy paw prints and drool stains. And for those of you who care about Mother Earth, many brands offer eco-friendly options made from non-toxic ingredients. Win-win. Real reviews from pet owners. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some fellow pet parents. One user said, "I've tried everything, but this detergent finally did the trick. My dog's blanket smells like it just came out of the store." Another chimed in with, "My cat has very sensitive skin, so I was hesitant to try this, but it's been a game changer." And how about this one? "After one wash, the urine smell was completely gone from my pup's bed. I'm hooked." Sounds promising, right? Key features to look for when choosing a pet laundry detergent. So, if you're thinking of trying one out for yourself, what should you look for? Firstly, check for an enzyme-based formula. That's what breaks down those pesky proteins effectively. It's also crucial to find hypoallergenic options to keep your pet's skin safe. Don't forget to consider non-toxic and eco-friendly ingredients for added peace of mind. Make sure the detergent has proven stain removal power. We know how messy pets can be. Lastly, keep an eye out for subtle or no artificial fragrances. Pro tips for using pet laundry detergents. Now let's get into some pro tips for using these miracle workers. If you have tough stains, it's a good idea to pre-treat them by applying a little detergent directly to the area before washing. Let it sit for a few minutes to really work its magic. Be sure to use the right settings on your washing machine. Hot water is generally best for getting rid of odors. And remember, don't overload your washer. Giving your detergent room to work helps with cleaning and rinsing. Conclusion: is it worth it? So is it really worth it to invest in pet laundry detergents? Absolutely. These products save you time and frustration, not to mention they create a cleaner, more comfortable space for both you and your pets. Keeping your home odor-free and protecting your pet's sensitive skin is a no-brainer for any pet parent out there. Call to action. Ready to give it a try? Check out the description box below for our top recommendations and some exclusive deals you won't want to miss. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to our channel for more pet care tips, product reviews, and wellness hacks for your furry friends. Join our community of pet lovers and make the switch today. Your pets and your nose will thank you for it.